Hi guys, I'm Lucy and this is English and today we will be doing English and planting. I will be showing you how to plant a pepper plant from a seed. So what will you need for our planting session today? You're going to need a sweet pepper, a chopping board, a knife, some sort of container or tray. I'm going to use an old Tupperware, but you could also use an old box from fruit or veg. We'll be making some holes in it. You also need some soil or compost and a trowel. The first step is to remove the seeds from the sweet pepper. So open my pepper, cut it in half, and what we want to do is remove this stalk from the middle, which has all the seeds on it. So usually when you want to eat your pepper, you would be removing the seeds anyway. So what we'll be doing, we'll be taking off the seeds from the stalk and just popping them into a bowl. As you see, there's lots of seeds there. So just collect them. You can throw this away, compost it, and then use the rest of your pepper for eating. The next step is to make some small holes in your container, in your tray, so that the water can drain out. Then you want to get some compost or soil and put it in your tray. Scatter the seeds. Make sure there's a bit of space between them. There's a lot of them, so there's more chance of them germinating. Once those have been scattered, then cover the top with another thin layer of compost. You should have something like that. Afterwards, you can water it a few times a week, put it in a sunny spot, such as a windowsill or a greenhouse or somewhere sheltered in your garden. Okay, here's one I did earlier, a few weeks back. You'll see that many of the seeds have germinated. Some have grown more than others, but once they reach about 5 to 6 centimeters, you can then transplant them into an individual pot. Take your trowel and very gently dig up your individual plant. Hold the plant by the leaves. So as you see here, we have a seedling, it's got the stem, a few leaves and the roots. So before I put that in the new pot, I'm just going to put a bit of soil in the bottom of the pot. Insert the seedling and put another thin layer of soil on top. Similarly to before, you want to put this in a sunny spot and water it 2 to 3 times a week. So here is a seedling that I transplanted about 2 to 3 weeks ago. So as you see, being in the bigger pot on its own, it's managed to grow much bigger. I will probably have to put this into a bigger pot soon, maybe in about a week or so. I will then transplant it into yet a bigger pot and so on until you get a fully grown plant. So thank you for joining us today. I hope you've enjoyed this video and learning how to plant your own pepper seeds. Hit subscribe below and check out what else we have going on.